My grandfather was the first man in the stratosphere. My father made the deepest dive ever in the Marianas Trench. I've seen the power of exploration to inspire people, to challenge the impossible.
Our goal is to fly around the world with a solar-powered airplane, and we need to cross oceans, we need to fly day and night. We had to find new technologies, new solutions which did not come from the aviation world, but which had to be integrated for the first time in this airplane. Everything had to be put to the limits further.
So Solar Impulse is about challenging the impossible, to show that if the exploration of the 20th century was about conquering new territories, in the 21st century it should be about improving quality of life. And in that sense, what we really need is new technologies to produce energy with renewable sources. A solar-powered airplane who can fly day and night with no fuel at all. This is a demonstration that we can achieve the impossible with these new clean technologies.
To make an airplane fly day and night with the sun only, we needed an airplane which uses very, very little energy. It had to be extremely big in terms of wingspan. This one 72 meters, which is more than a 747, but extremely light. Everything is new here. The materials we use, the design of the airplane, the propulsion, the source of energy. We had nothing, in fact, to rely on. We had to invent it. So the level of complexity is incredibly high, and we needed a sophisticated systems allowing to design this airplane before we started to build it. You cannot build different models. You have to be successful with the first attempt. And this was possible thanks to 3D technologies. And that's where, in fact, Dassault Systèmes became extremely helpful.
We used Dassault Systèmes for developing the airplane from the design to the production. Starting from the design, a single part, then going into deeper into assembly, using also a lamination tool to define every single layer of our carbon fiber structure, up to a complex assembly, information and production. The impact in the certification process is to have the full traceability available. So we went from zero to a fully operational airplane in one step, and the 3D model as it is now reflects exactly what we have in reality and vice versa. That was absolutely great when Solar Impulse did his first flight.
The common denominator of the companies who have on board of this project is their passion for innovation.
This project belongs to all the partners. They make this project possible. Without Dassault Systèmes, for example, we could never design a plane that is so revolutionary. Until now, a lot of people believe that the protection of the environment and the renewable energies is something boring, limiting their standard of life, limiting their mobility, and we want to show exactly the opposite.